2021's best phone is this Vivo X70 Pro Plus. So this is really a good phone for you because if you see on its camera, that is fantastic, and its front camera is 32 megapixel and back camera is 50 megapixel, which you will find in this mobile, and processor is Qualcomm SN8350 Snapdragon 888 plus 5G. Its colors are only black, blue and orange, and its battery capacity is 4500 mAh and charging is 55 watts fast charging, and wireless charging is 50 watts fast charging. So that's why it is best for photographers and also common users. You can choose this Vivo X70 Pro Plus. So that is the video. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care and don't forget to subscribe and also be prepared for the next year 2022.